Today I'm wondering if I agree with the information provided in the Costco Connection. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods, and today I wanted to take a look at the article in the January-February edition of the Costco Connection regarding finances. I usually quite enjoy reading these articles, and today I want to take an in-depth look to see if I agree specifically with this article. I'm not going to bore you guys by reading this entire article. I'm going to highlight any points that specifically agree with my 14 rules of investing. Rule 1, pay yourself first. Rule 3, invest primarily in dividend-paying stocks. Rule 5, choose fee-based over percentage-based commissions. Rule 6, make your contributions automatic. Rule 8, invest for forever. Rule 11, seek professional help. Rule 12, invest today, not tomorrow. If you guys aren't familiar with my 14 rules of investing, I'm going to put the link up above so you can check out that video. Well, after taking that perusal, I think that I completely agree with this particular article in the Costco Connection. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get rich together.